So we are continuing with our bar chart and the pie charts. Now we've discussed the bar charts in the previous lesson. Now for us to draw a pie chart, a pie chart looks like a circle or is a circle, and I say that inside the circle there are pieces or what we call pies, just like the meat pie you eat. Each from this circle we have this piece, we have this piece, we have this piece, we have this piece, and we have this piece. Each of them is called a pie. So for us to now draw the pie chart for this table, frequency table, we are going to draw pi for each of these values, and the pi of each of the value is going to be equal to the frequency. So how do we determine the frequency for each of the values, each of the data given to us? That is 1, 2, and 3. Now we know that the total angle in a triangle is 360. The total angle in a triangle is 360. So for us to find the sector or the pi, that's the first one we take, that is this one, it is going to be, we check the total frequency, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 12. The total frequency is equal to 12. Now for the first one, what is going to take is the ratio of the first frequency times 360. Since the total angle in a triangle is 360, and we are trying to find the angle that each of the values we take in the circle. So the first one is now 2 over 12 times by 360. Whatever this gives you, let's say that it gives us A. That is for the first one. Then for the second one, we say, second one, that is for 3, we have the frequency there is, we come to its frequency. The frequency, sorry, for the second one is 2. For 2, we come to its frequency in the frequency table. The frequency of 2 is 4. So we now say 4 over the total frequency, which is 12, times by 360. Let us assume that it will give us, when we times this thing, it gives us B. You have to calculate it to find the actual value. Now for the third one, which is 3, we look for the frequency of it, which is 6. Now we say 6 over the total frequency, which is 6 over 12. So for 3, we now have 6 over 3 times by 360. And whatever it gives us, let us assume that it gives us C. Now, of course, we know that C is going to be the biggest because it has the highest frequency, followed by 2, followed by 3. So now we draw the pie chart for this. So in the pie chart we are going to draw, we have something like this. Then for 2 is going to be something like this. Let's say the angle that we got for it is this. This is A. And then for the second one, which is for 2 is going to be this. So you see that B is bigger than A. And now this one, from here to here, this is the third one, that is C. So C is the biggest, so it takes the biggest angle. Actually, when you times, like this one, 4 over 12 times by 360, you have to solve everything and get the value, and then you use your protractor. You use your protractor in your math set and trace the angle. so that you get the accurate value for A. You do the same and use the protractor to get whatever you get after solving it. Then you get for that of B, and then you get for that of C. And that will represent the pie charts for each of the values. So this is how to solve or to create data frequency table and use it to solve the pie charts for the values or for the data. I hope this is very clear. Thank you.